The phrase "get it together" is a colloquial expression commonly used in the English language to convey the idea of organizing, improving, or pulling oneself together in various aspects of life. It is an informal way of encouraging someone to address their issues, whether they are related to emotions, behavior, organization, or performance. Get it together is often used in a friendly, supportive, or even slightly exasperated tone, depending on the context. When someone says, "get it together," they are essentially urging an individual to regain control, make improvements, or become more focused in a particular area. This phrase can be directed towards oneself or used in conversations with others. It serves as a gentle reminder that there may be room for improvement, and it can motivate individuals to take positive action. In personal relationships, "get it together" is often employed to offer support or guidance to a friend or family member who may be going through a challenging time. For instance, if a friend is struggling with personal issues or emotional turmoil, you might say, "You've got to get it together," in an empathetic attempt to encourage them to address their problems and regain stability in their life. In professional settings, this phrase can be used by a supervisor or colleague to convey the need for better performance or organization. For example, a manager might say to an employee who is consistently missing deadlines, "You need to get it together if you want to succeed in this job," indicating that improvement in performance is necessary to meet expectations. Additionally, "get it together" can be applied in the context of personal development. It often signifies the need to set goals, establish priorities, and make positive changes. For instance, if someone has been neglecting their health and well-being, a family member might encourage them by saying, "It's time to get it together and start taking better care of yourself." In more general terms, "get it together" can be applied to various situations, such as getting organized, improving focus, or overcoming challenges. For instance, if someone is struggling to concentrate on their studies, a peer might advise, "You'll do better on your exams if you can get it together and stay focused." However, it's important to note that "get it together" can carry different connotations depending on the context and tone. In a compassionate conversation, it can convey empathy and a desire to see someone improve their situation. In a more critical or frustrated tone, it might express impatience or disappointment with someone's current state or actions. In conclusion, "get it together" is an informal but versatile phrase used to encourage self-improvement, organization, and focus. It can be applied in personal, professional, or developmental contexts, and it serves as a motivational tool to inspire individuals to address challenges, make positive changes, and regain control over various aspects of their lives. Whether offered as support or as a wake-up call, this phrase reflects a fundamental human desire for growth and improvement.